You see a student. We see a lifelong learner. You see a teacher. We see a lifetime mentor. You see a religion. We see a relationship with God. You see playtime. We see character training. You see a sports activity. We see perseverance. You see art lessons. We see nurturing creative thinking. You see a school campus. We see a second home.
You see best universities. We see future preparation.
You see perfect scores. We see maximizing potential. You see graduates. We see agents of change. Beyond education. Beyond the traditional education, Sekolah Pelita Harapan prepares future generations with holistic Christian education, enabling students to grow spiritually, intellectually, emotionally, physically, and socially.